बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह का नाम लेकर जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all on this momentous event of General Body Meeting and Annual Dinner 2010. I also welcome all the office bearers and members of the Executive Committee of Mehran University Alumni Association 2010 and 2011. Honorable members, Mehran University Alumni Association plays a very vital role and organizes such an event which is purely a yearly get-together where we can meet with our old pals and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening is bifurcated into two halves. Like always, this first half is exclusively for annual General Body Meeting, which is a constitutional requirement of Mehran University Alumni Association. And second would be presided by a chief guest of the evening, Chairman Higher Education Commission, Government of Pakistan, Sir Javed Laghari. Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin our program now. I would kindly request all the office bearers and members of Executive Committee of Mehran University Alumni Association 2010-2011 to come up the stage and take their respective seats and start the annual General Body Meeting. I would like to call the names right now. Patron of Mehran University Alumni Association, Engineer Sayyid Shafiq Haider Musawi. President, Engineer Hassan Ali Memon. Senior Vice President, Engineer Ghulam Sarwar Kandhar. Vice President, Engineer Aftab Ahmed Memon from Karachi. Engineer Nawab Arshad Talpur from Hyderabad. Engineer Dr. Khadija Qureshi. General Secretary Dr. Anil Kumar. Joint Secretary Engineer Ghulam Shabbir Mominai. And now Finance Secretary Engineer Shabbir Hussain Khahro. Magazine Secretary Engineer Dur Muhammad Pathan. Members Executive Committee Engineer Ghulam Abbas Laghari. Engineer Dr. Toha Hussain Ali. Engineer Dr. Bhavani Shankar Chaudhary. Engineer Syed Ali Akbar Shah. Engineer Dr. Bashir Memon. Engineer Dr. Syed Muhammad Ali Shah. Engineer Syed Ashfaq Ahmad Shah. Engineer Mushtaq Memon, Engineer Muhammad Salim Sumro, Engineer Suhail Ahmad Sumro, Engineer Khalid Haider, Engineer Fahim Ursani, Engineer Ali Gohar Abro, Engineer Shakila Memon, Engineer Fozia Pamhar. Awal Allah Aleem, Ala Alam Jodhani, Qadir Panji Kudrat Seen Qaim Ahe Kadeem, Wali Wahid Wahdahu, Razik Rabb Rahim, So Sara Sacho Dhani, Chaye Hamd Hakeem, Kare Pan Kareem, Jodun Jod Jahan Joon. Now we formally begin our program with the name of Allah, and I would request Engineer Qari Abdul Ghaffar Tunio to recite verses from Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون وإذا رأوا تجارة أو لهوا انفضوا إليها وتركوك قائما قل ما عند الله خير من اللهو ومن التجارة والله خير الرازقين صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. Now I would like to call upon the General Secretary of Mehran University Alumni Association 2010-2011, Engineer Shabbir Mominai, to come forward on podium and present the annual report of 2010.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Respected President of Mehran University Alumni Association, office bearers and member executive committee, and my respected fellow members of Mehran University Alumni Association, Assalamu alaikum. The mission of Mehran University Alumni Association is to foster and strengthen the relationship between the Mehran University and its alumni and friends, to preserve and promote the university's traditions, purpose, growth, and alumni, and to keep alive the spirit of affection and reverence for our alma mater. Mehran University Alumni Association often organize social events, publish newsletters or magazines, and raise funds for the organization and provide a variety of benefits and services that help alumni maintain the connection to their educational institute and fellow graduates. Additionally, Mehran University Alumni Association often support new alumni and provide forum-to-forum new friendship and business relationship with people of similar background. Today, Alumni Association involve graduates of all age groups and demographics. This is all boys network and is holding wide variety of programs and events to support the university's mission In addition, this organization hosts outreach programs which bring faculty and administrators on the road to carry the university's message to alumni and friends, to provide financial and technical assistance to deserving students, and to provide educational material, help to MUT, and bring to its international standards. Mehran University Alumni Association has not done any remarkable achievement for other alumni, but it is striving to achieve their mission. However, even then, within limited source, Mehran University Alumni Association has a lot which is briefed as under. Mehran University Alumni Association has launched awareness to outgoing students, as every graduate of Mehran University have a membership of Mehran University Alumni Association and participate in each activity with whole heart. I feel honored to inform you that during this year, 125 members are added in the affiliate of Mehran University Alumni Association. Also, Mehran University Alumni Association donated for amount rupees 25,000 in the account of flood affected peoples, and office bearers took part in the other activities launched by Mehran University for flood activities. The telephone directory of all Mehran University Alumni Association is under process, and very soon it will be handed to our fellow members. At the end of every year, MUA is celebrating annual dinner and magical night in the honor of fellow members to achieve the mission of the Mehran University Alumni Association. The world is now globalized and treated as one village, but it is regretted to say that Mehran University Alumni Association is not part of this globalized age. It is therefore strongly recommended that Vice Chancellor Mehran University may kindly allow to launch the web page on the website of Mehran University to upload the activities and data of members on this page, as everyone to get this data to achieve the mission of Mehran University Alumni Association. This is our suggestions. Do you all agree? Thank you. As per item number 07 of the Constitution of Mehran University Alumni Association, the membership of association eligible is as under. The membership of association is open to all graduates of Sindh University Engineering College and Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro. Now the eligibility of the membership of Mehran University Alumni Association, which is amended on the recommendation of the meeting of the Executive Council held on 21st October 2010, the detail is under. All the graduates and postgraduates who have been degrees from Mehran University after physically attending its main campus or its constitute college will be eligible for the getting membership of the Mehran University Alumni Association. The general body is requested either approve or reject this item. At last, I am highly thankful to all the fellows, those endorsed the proposed suggestion and amendment in the Constitution in the interest of the Mehran University Alumni Association. Also, I am highly thankful to all the friends and organizations, those donated to us to achieve this occasion successful in a befitting manner. We hope that we will work together towards this noble objective and ensure that our friends at home feel that we have not forgotten our duty to our beloved alma mater. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.